If you're looking for a delicious appetizer for an upcoming party or just for you for lunch or a snack, then you're going to want to keep watching this video. Friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. Forgive my voice, friends, I am losing it a little bit. But today I am going to be making some garlicky Parmesan wings. Yes, that's what I said. I am in the mood for them today, and I thought, you know what? This is a great time to go ahead and make them in the air fryer for you all. So I'm going to show you how I make them. So let's quickly go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. Alrighty, so we have some olive oil, baking powder, paprika, granulated garlic or garlic powder, some salt, onion powder, and black pepper, and the chicken wings. And then for the actual garlic Parmesan sauce, we'll be mixing together some melted butter, Parmesan cheese, parsley, some red pepper flakes, and minced garlic. So friends, that is all the ingredients we're going to be using. The recipe does call for like 2 pounds of chicken wings. I'm just making this for myself, so I just have enough out for myself. But the recipe will be linked in the description box below, so you'll know all the ingredients and how much to use. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my friends, so I have a bowl here and my wings. We're going to want to make sure that our wings are patted dry with a paper towel. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now and then throw them in there. You just want to make sure they're nice and dry. And you want to make sure after you dry these, you wash your hands. And like I said, I am cutting this recipe in half just because I am not using as much chicken. But the full recipe will definitely be in the description box. Or you could just double what I'm doing. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. And then this. Alrighty, let's get my hands washed and then we'll get this all mixed up. Alrighty, now I have my air fryer. I have a wing button, so I put it on the wing button. If your air fryer can do 380, put it on 380. If not, just go to the 400. I am preheating it for 3 minutes, so if you hear that in the background. Now we're going to go ahead and add in a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. And then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of salt. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Onion powder, garlic, paprika, and then we're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. This is going to help it get a little bit crispy. And that's all the ingredients that is going on our wings. And just want to go ahead and toss this around and get that all mixed up really well and cover all the chicken with the ingredients. And then as soon as our air fryer is heated up, we will go ahead and get these started. Alrighty, that looks good already. So let's wait for this to finish up and then we'll get started. Alrighty, our air fryer is now heated. So let's go ahead and pull that out and then put our wings in. Alrighty. We're going to cook these for about 10 minutes and then we're going to flip them and then cook them for another 10 minutes. But I will check in like around the 7 or 8 minute mark the second time around, just to make sure we're not burning, because some of them are a little on the small side, and I am cooking it on 400. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put that in. Alright, okay my friends, so I have 3 tablespoons of butter in a microwave dish. Now the recipe actually calls for you to go onto the stove top and saute the garlic for like 30 seconds. I am not doing that because I don't want to dirty up another pan. So I'm just melting it in here with the butter. So I have 3 tablespoons of butter in there. And then I'm going to put in 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my microwave and melt it up. But like I said, if you follow the directions, melt your butter in a pan and saute your garlic in there for like 30 seconds. But I'm just microwaving it. Alrighty, so I have my melted butter. Where's my whisk? Alrighty, with my garlic. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1/4 teaspoon of, I'm almost out of this, but I have a whole nother container I bought. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes. That's optional, friends. If you don't like that spicy, please don't worry about it. And then a teaspoon of, parsley. And then we're going to go ahead and mix that up really, really well. And there, I just splashed it at the camera. Okay. Oh, this smells delicious. Alrighty, we're going to let our chicken cook and then flip it, and then we'll finish this. Oh, I knew I'd get it on me. Daggone it. I knew it. When am I going to learn to wear my apron? I'm never going to learn, am I? Alrighty. Alrighty, my friends. I went ahead and washed my turner just because we touched raw chicken. Oh, they look delicious. We're going to flip them over. Yum. Alrighty. Did I flip that? I think I did, yeah. I did flip that? I don't know if I did or not. I don't think I did. Alrighty, we're going to put it in. I think I'm going to go for about 5 minutes and check them because they're pretty small. Alrighty. They are done. Oh, look at that. Oh, they smell delicious. I have a bowl right here. I'm going to go ahead and throw them right in my bowl. Right out of the air fryer. You see that, friends? Ooh, look at that. Yum, look at that. Look at the seasoning on that. This little tiny one here. He little. That was a piece of, oops. That was just a piece of chicken. Alrighty. I did let it go the full 10 minutes and it was fine. It was a little hard to tell because of the seasoning on it. Now let's go ahead and put our sauce on. Alrighty, so we have our wings here. I mixed our sauce and let's go ahead and pour it all over. Get all of that out. Every last drop. And then just coat this really well. Try to get that cheese a little melted with those hot wings. Yum, look at that. I think I didn't cut back on the cheese for my recipe, so I think the cheese in here is more for the entire recipe, but that's okay. I like it like that. Look at that. Oh, all right, I'm just going to let it sit for a few minutes in this since they're hot. And I want that cheese all over it melted a little. And then we'll plate it up and do our taste test. Alrighty, I have a plate over here. Have some celery, and my favorite dipping sauce is blue cheese. I don't know about you all, but you use your favorite. And we're going to go ahead and just plate this all up. And then we're going to do a taste test. Delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Alrighty, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, my friends, so here they are. If you go wait to the end of the video, you'll see some nice close-up pictures. So let's go ahead. We'll eat this little tiny one. How's that sound? Mmm. Mmm. so delicious. Friends, they are absolutely delicious. All right, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.